Hey kid, wanna go to Grillby's with me for some grub? I was just about to go.
You said grub and grub means food, so yes, I will go with you!
Okay, wow, you sure are, happy? Excited?
Food.
Want some ketchup for your burger?
Yes, please.
Kill him and only him!
Huh? Man, that piano puzzle was difficult. Oh, what's that?
You reached for the artifact.
Whoa.
But you're carrying too many dogs.
What? Too many
What? The dog absorbed the legendary artifact.
Oof. This never happened.
Oh my gosh! Did you actually meet Undyne? You're so lucky! I think Undyne is really cool! What did you think of Undyne?
She was scary and ruthless, and worst of all, she smelled like fish! Wow, that's a lot of garbage. Where there's lots of garbage, there's a lot of people. And where there's a lot of people, there's lots of food!
Determination.
It's a living.
A living? What? Ooh, so you got a fridge?
Yeah? Do you want a snack, maybe?
Yes!
Here, a ghost sandwich.
Thanks.
The sandwich faced through your hand.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it ain't.
So yeah, you have to cheer them on, so they go faster.
Cheer, that I can do! Woohoo! I believe in you so much! Yeah, you can do it!
Oh,
Did we win?
sorry, you didn't win.
Happy birthday!
It's hard-boiled.
I'm on cocaine!
10th place. Is that like cereal? Why are there 3 different prices though?
It's just pieces of colored construction paper.
Why? Why not?
What? You blocked all of my spears? That's impossible!
What? I blocked all of your spears? That's impossible!
Are you mocking me?
Undyne suplexes off the boulder because she can.
Ha! How do you like that?
You keep doing that, it's great. Probably even better from far away. I'll go check.
Get back here, you little punk!
Why are you answering and stopping? At this rate, she's going to... Remind me again where you aren't just killing her.
So,
Huh?
why are you here? To mock me?
The lava place was scary.
That's why I decided to teach him how to cook, you know. So, he can do something else with his life.
That's understandable. Any chance I could keep this?
The chances of you keeping that are the same as the chances of this table getting repaired in the near future. First off, we gotta make the sauce for this cooking masterpiece. Bash those veggies.
I love
Oh.
you.
Don't pet them. Bash.
Are besties allowed to lick each other's fists?
Undyne is letting you take the first move.
It's okay. Surely there's some way to fix this.
Hacked. Check. Fake hit.
Here I come. It's fake. She'll be fine. It's fake. I actually hit you. Oh God. Oh, are you
Hey, kid.
Sen? I'm sorry.
God damn it, kid. I'm trying to talk here and you talk it over me.
You ruined your own scene.
Trying to start the comic here. You're in the comic, and they can't even give you hot dogs now. You're really hungry. I know you are.
What kind of hot dog? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Stop this right now.
It's brown, so I thought it was just still frisky.
Frisky. Frisky.
Wait, but that's mad dummy though. Like, Mentor's like, it's a living. Like, you can say, wait.
Why would he say it's a living?
Actually, that kind of makes sense.
I tore my voice up. I sound like this now. Way to go. I sound like I'm smoking.
Trip, we need you.
Mike was out.
like you're a smoker.
Okay, go. 3.
Scene.
What you
sandwich
say?
Everyone goes out and says the same thing.
Sandwich coon, no.
We're just
Chip,
waiting for
Chip,
him to say that.
I like how you did that. Do you want a snack, maybe?
I thought I was the only one that noticed. Do you want to do it again? So
Oh,
kids,
and now it's
be motivated.
ba-do, ba-do, ba-do.
Oh my god!
Oh God!
Well, time to lower my volume. Continue.
Wait, I'm Temmie?
No, I'm Timmy! Okay? You don't have to back up for Timmy! I'm the
Oh my god.
Jiminy Christmas, calm down, Tammys.
It's just. Oh wait, I thought I was saying my thing. Okay, you go ahead then. You can go ahead then. I'll just sit here.
Tim's gonna rip your face off!
Nobody is paying attention. Day 3. I'm still stuck here.
2 hours later.
I ate out. There's no food left. I've ate it all.
You're not Timmy! You're the fake Timmy!
I'll just say cars part.
I'm gonna put myself on mute for a second.
You heard nothing. You heard
Okay, so
nothing.
Kim have like.
I'm sorry. I
I
have
walk a
nothing to
lonely
say.
road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's only me and I walk alone.
Oh, no shit.
Yes, this is traditional gub.